y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to show y'all real quick this wig that I got from Mayde Beauty. This is what the card looks like, and then here's all of the colors that it's available in. Here's the back of the card. So yeah, this is the wig that I got. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in purchasing where you could purchase this wig at. It costs about $35. I really like this wig because I like the layers in it, and it has about 5 inches apart in space. It's cut really nice. The layers in the front to frame the face, it gives you kind of that Farrah Fawcett feather look. It's so cute to me. I love this wig so much. It has a nice length on it. It comes to about a little bit past armpit length. Here's what it looks like. I'll show y'all the back real quick too. So here's the back. It is a synthetic wig, so y'all know what to expect with them synthetic wigs. Don't expect it to last super long, especially since it's one of the longer lengths. Usually in about 3 days, that's when it will start to bunch up in the back, especially if it's longer, and tangle really bad. But what I did when I took it out, it's pretty much ready to go. All I did was tweeze the part a little bit, added some pressed powder to my part, and just combed it out. Just finger combed it out, and that was pretty much it. From the most part, as soon as I took it out, it was ready to be worn. I didn't have to add any baby powder or let it sit on a mannequin head for that little comb part to go out. It was pretty much ready to go just as quick as I took it out the package. But this is it. I just want to show y'all really quick what it looks like, just in case y'all was interested, you know, like once it's customized and everything to your liking, what it would look like, just in case anybody was interested in purchasing. Like I said, no tangling right away, no shedding. I've never really gotten shedding with any synthetic wigs. They're pretty made really well for the most part, especially this one. No tangling right now. Like I said, around day 3, that's usually when you'll start to get some tangling. But for the most part right now, it's really good. No tangling, no shedding. And I love this wig. I just really love the layers. I'll have another wig review coming up soon. I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Ina wig, which is kind of similar to this, but it's a little bit different. Oops, where'd my earring go? So this is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below in the description box and I'll answer them. But other than that, I don't have too much more to say about the wig. That's about it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.